Ever felt like you're too young to start investing? Or maybe you're looking to help a younger family member get a head start. Well, today we're diving deep into the age requirements for using Raiz. Buckle up, because it might surprise you. Investing can seem intimidating, especially when you're just starting out. But the truth is, it's never too early to begin your financial journey. Raiz, with its micro-investing approach, makes it incredibly easy for people of all ages to get involved. But who exactly can actually use Raiz? Let's find out. Now, the good news is that Raiz is designed to be accessible to a wide range of investors. The primary age requirement to use Raiz is that you must be at least 18 years old. This is generally a standard requirement across most financial platforms, as it aligns with legal regulations regarding financial contracts and decision-making. But what about those under 18? Can they get involved at all? While minors themselves can't directly open and manage a Raiz account, there are still ways to introduce them to the world of investing. Gifting: you can gift a Raiz account to a minor. This allows you to start investing on their behalf, helping them build a foundation for their future financial success. Joint accounts: in some cases, depending on your jurisdiction, you might be able to open a joint Raiz account with a minor. This can be a great way to teach them about investing while providing some level of parental oversight. It's important to note that specific rules regarding minors and investing may vary depending on your location. Always check the relevant regulations in your country or region before proceeding. Beyond age, other key considerations. While age is a primary factor, there are a few other things to keep in mind. Identification: you'll need to provide valid identification to verify your age and identity. Tax residency: Raiz may have specific eligibility requirements based on your tax residency status. Key takeaways: the minimum age to use Raiz is generally 18 years old. Gifting options are available for those under 18. Joint account options may be possible in some cases. Always check local regulations regarding minors and investing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.